Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Rogue transmission. This is a significant task, requiring careful preparation and the right tools. You will need a sturdy transmission jack, a reliable torque wrench, and at least 4 jack stands for safety. Begin by properly lifting and securing your vehicle. Then, drain all the old transmission fluid before proceeding with any removal steps. This ensures a cleaner and safer working environment. Now, let's get to removing the old transmission. Start by disconnecting the vehicle's battery and clearing any components from the top that block access. From underneath, you will need to detach both front axles, the drive shaft, and all electrical connections. Carefully unbolt the transmission from the engine, ensuring all fasteners are removed. Then, use your transmission jack to slowly and safely lower the heavy unit from the vehicle's underside. With the old unit out, it is time to install the new transmission. Carefully place the new transmission onto your jack and slowly raise it into position, aligning it precisely with the engine. Securely bolt the transmission to the engine, making sure to tighten all fasteners to their specified torque values. Next, reconnect all electrical connectors, fluid lines, and the transmission mounts. Finally, reinstall the drive shaft and both front axles, ensuring they are properly seated. For the final steps, refill the transmission with the specified CVT fluid, typically around 4 to 5 quarts, depending on the model. It is crucial to use the correct fluid type and quantity. Perform a thorough inspection for any leaks and ensure all bolts and connections are securely tightened. Once everything is reassembled, take your vehicle for a gentle test drive. Listen for unusual noises and confirm that the transmission shifts smoothly through all gears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.